Hi, my name is Nikisha Ross, and I'm the teacher here at Edison High School for the Cosmetology program. I like to tell people it's not just doing hair, and you don't have to just sit behind a chair. You could be a platform stylist, stylist to the stars, me, a teacher. You know, you could own a salon, you could be a traveling stylist. Sky's the limit. It's all in what you want to do, and you make it happen. It's going to be exciting, I'm sure. It's something that's very, very exciting, but rewarding enough where it could be actually a career coming straight out of high school. Anything is possible with hard work and dedication. It is what you make it. You get out of it what you put into it. I need people here that's going to say, I'm doing it because that's what I like to do. Definitely open-minded people. Not nobody who's really in the box, but somebody who's outside the box and just like, give it to me all, I want to learn it all. Be ready to express yourself creatively and meet people, have conversations, open up, and you could build some very, very great relationships and make money. The beautiful blessing of them being at Edison is that they are prepared for the state board every single year that they're here. They could take it and get certified in their field and also get college credits. Who would not want to leave high school with 12 credits to go on, and basically you're not a freshman, you're going to college as a sophomore, and the school district pays for it. Like, Thursday and Friday they're here where they get to practice on mannequins or actual clients that come in. This is a blessing of opportunity for any student to have. Treat it like you were paying $20,000, you know?